Advice for small businesses. 6 mistakes you don't want to make. Number 1, avoiding social media, not having it at all. Number 2, not showing your face or having an alternative standout feature. Number 3, creating content for other people in your niche instead of creating content for your ideal client. Number 4, not knowing your why. Why are you doing what you're doing? Number 5, being inconsistent. What does that mean? It means that you have picked a consistency, so that might be posting daily, and all of a sudden, instead of posting daily, you're posting once a week, and then all of a sudden you're posting once a month, and not being consistent with what you decide. Number 6, constantly being salesy. That means you are constantly selling your product on your social media, but you're never giving any sort of free value without having strings attached. So consider what you're posting. If you found any of this helpful and want more ways of making social media simple, be sure to hit that follow button. And if you liked anything that you learned from here, be sure to hit the like button. And if you have a question or any comments, be sure to leave a comment. We would love to hear from you.